Right now I'm coming in here, lifting it off the scalp. Now I want to grab my one guard going with the grain, getting everything even. And right now you see me grab my liners and lining up the bag first. I'm gonna do that all over. Basically what I'm doing is like shaping the hair, so it'll make the process way easier when I start to fade. Cause you don't want to keep putting the clippers up and then putting them back down, grabbing other clippers. You know what I'm saying? You'll figure it out, make it way easier for sure. Right here you see me with no guard all the way open. I'm gonna go up about 1 inch. I'm gonna do that for my one guard on 1.5. When we get further into the video, we're gonna see the transition is basically build within itself by taking these steps.
We got a problem.
And don't be nervous while you flicking to go up near the occipital bone. As long as you flicking, everything gonna be fine. Don't be worried about taking it too high or anything. Everything gonna be cool. And right now, I'm all the way close, nicking at that bottom initial line. Basically right now I'm closing in the fade. The next steps, I'm going ahead and line the sides up. And then further on, we'll just clean up the taper, make sure everything's, presentable. I ain't even gonna lie. Honestly, that's a clean ass fade, boy. For real. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments, but that shit clean for real. And right now I'm doing the side tapers. I'm doing the same exact thing I did in the back. I'm doing the sides. You're gonna follow the open guard, follow the 1, the 1.5, and so on. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up. Just keep watching for sure.
We got a problem.
And I always start my lineups in the middle, and I work my way to the left, and I make my board, and back to the right, and make my board. And that's how I make sure it's even.
We got a problem. We got a problem.
I wasn't able to do the beard, but I appreciate y'all tuning in and watching this full clip.